Once a budding and skilled mage, Scarper rebelled against the Imperium, joining an ever-growing number of MagicPunks. These are mages in training that turn rogue. Finding safety in the underbelly of the Draglands, a lawless, brutalist town run by local mafiosos known as the Marauders, Scarper quickly became a favorite of Gom Dragland, their leader. Showing much skill in ranged combat and knowledge of Volt weaving, Scarper was groomed to be the Marauders' main Volt Slinger, a gun-wielding mage. When Gom Dragland needed a problem taken care of, Scarper became the go-to button man for the mobster's bidding. Without proper training or equipment, magic takes a toll on an elf's body. Volt weavers use special gloves called conductors, or ducks for short. Without ducks, magic use reduces lifespan, rapidly grows hair length, and turns its color to white. It can also result in becoming fractured, or going insane, or gamtha, which is slang for being crazy. Scarper has abandoned ducks in favor of an index fingerless glove that allows him to use his finger as backup bullets in his sniper rifle, called the Pointer, and earning him the nickname Blue Hand. The Pointer doubles as the control stick for his Fint, which is the name for a Volt Weaver's speeder bike. Ever the wily and the smiley, Scarper's cool demeanor, coupled with his knack for being a great shot, makes him a deadly opponent in the Wastelands of Galedawn. For my comic MagicPunk, at the end of Volume 1, Scarper is sent to take out Machi and his friend Teep as they make their way to House Jex. After a fateful skirmish, Scarper finds out the true power of a Volt Weaver when Machi becomes jolted, a sort of enhanced, empowered state for mages that everyone's forgotten about, or the knowledge has been kept secret on purpose. Machi becomes Scarper's only target to ever survive his deadly eye. Also, funnily enough, Scarper was the primary protagonist in a recent course I made called How to Design Comic Book Characters, and I'll walk you through my full process for creating him as seen here from start to finish. If you're interested in that, you can check out the link in the description. If you like the world and comic that I'm building in MagicPunk, consider supporting me on Patreon. Until next time, go and make good art.